Hello all, it is the ATM here, and today I'm going to be looking for the instructions of a Lego set that I want to build for my 100 subscriber reaching. So I just need 3 more as of February 10th, 2018. And so I'm going to try and find the instructions there in my instruction drawer. So I'm just gonna dig through these, and you can comment down below if you see any of the sets in here that you want me to. Ooh, here's one. Okay, so I'm going to be doing the Lego Creator Expert Palace Cinema, which was my first big set besides Metalbeard Sea Cow, which is up there. So now I need to get book 1 and 2. That's probably. Let's hurry on it. So if you see any sets in here, I think I see it. So if you see any sets in here you want me to build next, just tell me. Oh, both of them are here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Author instruction books. So I finished that. Tell me if you want me to do a review on that. So I set up a lot of Lego stuff up here to create a little city. So I have some separate sets like that. I don't know why it's hanging over the edge. Then that comes with that. The Parisian restaurant. That goes with that. Betty's spaceship. I just wanted to make it look kind of cool. Sorry, it's a little dark. I'm blocking the light. And so there it is. I'm going to be taking that off of there and then putting it down here to do a build and review. Then that's the 60th anniversary sets. The wedding favor set I had my little sister build, and then my little sister also built the bee. And then I got some other brick hats I got for Christmas. So yeah. So comment down below any sets you want me to build next. So I will do the review now. And if I'm done with it and don't have 100 subscribers, I will wait to post it until I get 100. So yeah. So thanks for watching.